What's up, ladies and gentlemen? In this video, I want to show you why transferring your Chase Ultimate Reward points over to Hyatt is a great idea and it could save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. So there's essentially going to be two parts to this video. In the first part of this video, I'm going to take you into the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal and I'm going to go to the World of Hyatt website and I'm going to show you an example of how and why using your Chase Ultimate Reward points and transferring them over to Hyatt makes a lot of financial sense. And in the second part of this video, I'm going to transfer maybe 2,000 or 3,000 Chase Ultimate Reward points over to Hyatt, and that way you can see a step-by-step tutorial, of how that's done, and that so you can implement that process as well from your home. So with that being said, let's jump into the computer and get started. So to begin with, I do want to point out that if you have a Chase credit card, you'll need a Chase Sapphire Preferred or a Chase Sapphire Reserve in order for this to work. So if you look at the left side of my screen, you'll see that I logged into my Chase account, and here it tells me that I have 179,745 Ultimate Reward points. I'll click on that, click here, and again, I'm going to show you why it makes sense to transfer your Chase points over to Hyatt. Okay, so I'm going to click up here, and then I'm going to click on Travel, and then I'm going to click on Hotels. My internet's super slow today. And then let's just say I want to go to New York. It's always a good example to see how this actually works. And let's just say I want to go to New York during the holidays from December 15th to December 15th. It's going to be my wife and I. We'll search hotels. Hey, I got a $50 annual Chase hotel credit, so I'll have to use that before that expires. I'm going to filter here, hotel chain or brand. I'm just going to put in Hyatt, all Hyatt hotels, apply. And then over here on the Hyatt website, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to just put in New York. And again, I want to reiterate that you will need a World of Hyatt account. It's free. It only takes like 5 minutes to set up. We'll hit Find Hotels. So one thing that's really important to point out here is that your Chase Ultimate Reward points actually transfer over to Hyatt at a 1-to-1 ratio. So for example, if I wanted to transfer 5,000 Chase Ultimate Reward points, it would equal 5,000 World of Hyatt points. Okay, so let's assume that I want to stay at the Andaz on 5th Avenue, a concept by Hyatt. And as you can see here, if I book it through the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal, it's going to run me about 123,377 points. Now, this is where things get incredible. I can stay at the same hotel for the same nights for 35,000 points a night if I book through the World of Hyatt website, as you can see right here. So if I book this hotel on the World of Hyatt website, I can stay for 2 nights at the Andaz on 5th Avenue for 70,000 points. And again, the same hotel booked on the Chase Ultimate Rewards travel portal is going to cost me 123,377 points. So as you can see, 123,000 or 70,000, it's kind of a no-brainer. And ladies and gentlemen, that's why it makes a lot of sense to transfer your Chase Ultimate Reward points over to Hyatt to get even more value out of your Chase Ultimate Reward points. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let's move to part 2 of this video where I'm going to give you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can transfer your Chase Ultimate Reward points over to World of Hyatt. All right, so I'm back on the main screen for the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, and up here where it says Earn Use, you're just going to click on the dot down here. And then what you're going to do is combine points, transfer your points to travel partners, And then as you can see here, Chase has a lot of travel partners, right? It's not just Hyatt. You have Aer Lingus, British Airways, Iberian Airlines, Marriott Bonvoy. You have all of these airlines. These are actually the bonus offers. So as you can see here, you get 30% bonus points here, 30% bonus points, 50% bonus points if you transfer to Marriott. And then you've got all of your airlines, and down at the bottom here you have your hotels, and we are going to be transferring our points to Hyatt. So what I'm going to do is just click on Hyatt. I'm going to scroll here down to the bottom of the page where it says transfer points, and it says step 1 of 3, enter your World of Hyatt details, confirm the card user. So Ravi Wadden, that's me. Suasan, that's my wife. Not sure why her last name hasn't been updated yet. What I'm going to do here is enter my World of Hyatt account number. So what I'm going to do is get my World of Hyatt account number. I'm going to copy that in. I'm going to confirm it. I'll hit next. And here it says, how many points do you want to transfer? You have 179,554 points available. Points must be transferred in increments of 1,000. And transferred points hold a 1-to-1 value, which I've already explained earlier in this video. So let's just do 2,000 points. And I'll hit next. And it says review transfer details. This is really important because you don't want to send over more points than you actually want to send over. I've seen people type in an extra 0 and then not really confirm. But anyways, we'll just go ahead and submit. And ladies and gentlemen, that's about it. It says you're all set. Your point transfer is in progress. Allow up to 7 days for your transfer to complete, and keep your order number on hand for future reference. And this is really important because I know a lot of people try to book hotels and they're like, oh, I will need to book a Hyatt hotel. And they think that when you transfer your Chase points, they're just going to transfer that same day. But as you can see here, it says allow up to 7 days. So that's really important. So that's really important to kind of pre-plan your trip and account for this 7 days that it could take for your transfer to complete. But ladies and gentlemen, transferring your Chase Ultimate Reward points over to Hyatt is that easy. If you got value from this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and please feel free to forward it on to whoever else you think may get value from it. Thank you all for watching this video. Have a great day. I'll see you soon.